Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to factory reset on any Android phone. If you want to factory reset on your phone, so let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your phone settings and then open phone settings. So first of all, you can search factory reset and then open factory reset. You can see factory reset, erase the following items, and then you can see erase all data. Click here and then choose factory reset. Click here, and in this I can show another way. So let's see. Scroll down, additional settings, open it. Scroll down, and in this we can choose and open factory reset. Factory reset, erase the following items: accounts, contacts, photos and videos, apps, backups, SD card data, other items on this device. And then you can choose erase all data, backup items first, and then you can see two options: factory reset or backup. In this time you can choose factory reset, click on it, and in this way you can easily factory reset on any Android phone on your phone. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.